Hey there, welcome back. I hope you've been taking all this information in and that slowly but surely is starting to all make sense. I'm Lily, your CPAP specialist here at Sleeplay, and in this lesson, we're talking about something that flies under the radar but impacts everything about your therapy. Headgear, tubing, and CPAP accessories. The small components that can make or break your comfort. Now you can have the best CPAP machine in the world, but if your straps are slipping, your tubing is kinking, or your accessories are worn out, you're going to feel it. And trust me, I hear this every single day. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to choose the right accessories, spot when parts need replacing, fix the most common problems, and finally, get your system running the way it should. Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the problems and fixes, let's take 30 seconds to go over the major CPAP components, because each of them plays a role in comfort, seal quality, and overall treatment success. Headgear, the strap system that holds your mask securely. Now, it comes in multiple sizes and styles: Velcro, multi-strap, minimalist, top of head designs. Now, for the mask cushion or nasal pillows, the part that touches your face or nostrils needs regular replacement to maintain a good seal. Also, there's tubing. You've got three main types: standard tubing, 6 feet universal; slim tubing, lighter, more flexible; heated tubing, prevents condensation and adds comfort. We also have filters, disposable or reusable. These keep dust, allergens, and debris out of your machine. We also have the humidifier chamber. Holds the distilled water that prevents dryness. Needs to stay clean and clear. Now we're going to go into comfort accessories, like for example, mask liners, chin straps, hose holders, hose wraps, travel cases, CPAP pillows, the extras that solve specific problems and increase comfort dramatically. Now that you know the cast, let's talk about what can go wrong and how to fix it fast. Now, there's a common headgear problem. Nearly 30% of CPAP users report headgear issues, slipping, pressure, irritation, or poor fit. Here's how to handle them. Straps too tight or loose. A good fit should feel secure but never painful. Okay, how do you fix it? Well, you loosen the strap that's causing pressure. That's what you do. You just loosen it up. Now for leaks, all you have to do is tighten the straps that's causing the leak. If you're constantly over tightening, the elastic is worn out. So replace the headgear every 6 months. And this way you won't have those issues. If your headgear slides off, try this. Pull the lower half down and the upper half up before tightening. Switch to a smaller size. Try a multi-strap design for better stability. Add a chin strap if the mouth opening shifts your mask. There's also skin irritations or allergies. If the straps irritate your skin, clean weekly with mild soap. Use mask liners. Switch to silicone-free materials if needed. Clean headgear, cleaner skin, fewer irritations. Tubing problems and how to fix them. Around 20% of users deal with tubing issues. Here's what to look for: kinks or reduced airflow. Check for bends and pinches. If it keeps happening, reposition the hose using tubing clips, or you can switch to a larger hose if you toss around at night. There's also condensation, which is called rain out. If you felt cold droplets splash your face, yeah, that's rain out. How do you fix it? Use heated tubing, add a hose wrap, lower humidity or increase tube temperature if you have a climate tubing, or warm the bedroom slightly. Number 3, hose tangling or pulling. If your tubing keeps tugging your mask loose, try a top of head hose mask. Use a hose holder, switch to a longer hose. If your mask leaks around the cushion, or if you wake up with red marks, a mask liner can change everything. They help by improving the seal, absorbing facial oils, reducing skin irritation and pressure, extending the life of your cushion. A tiny layer of soft fabric is massive comfort difference. Now, chin straps and mouth tape for mouth breathers. If you use a nasal mask but your mouth pops open during sleep, you'll get leaks, dry mouth, and less effective therapy. Solutions. A chin strap gently supports your jaw. Approved mouth tape can help if you tolerate it well. Just be sure you can breathe comfortably through your nose before you try these. Hose holders. No more tugging or tangles. Now, if you toss and turn or if your tubing constantly pulls your mask out of place, a hose holder is a game changer. Now, it lifts the tubing off the bed, prevents tangles, helps keep your mask sealed, lets you move freely without waking up. Think of it like putting your hose on an autopilot. If your pillow pushes your mask out of place or smashes your gear into your face, it's time to upgrade. CPAP specific pillows have cutouts or contour shapes that reduce mask shifting, improve seal quality, align your neck and spine, make side sleeping dramatically more comfortable. Once people switch, they rarely go back. Now let's talk about CPAP cleaning supplies for hygiene and longevity. Clean equipment equals clean air, which equals fewer sinus infections and fewer colds. CPAP mask wipes for daily quick clean are great. Mild soap plus warm water for weekly wash. CPAP cleaning machines if you want an automated option. A clean setup lasts longer and feels fresher. Travel cases take your therapy anywhere. If you travel, even occasionally, a sturdy CPAP travel case protects your machine and accessories. It makes TSA easier, keeps your setup clean, and prevents damage on the go. Your CPAP goes wherever you go, so protect it. So that's your full walkthrough. The essential accessories, the fixes for the most common issues, and the upgrades that make CPAP therapy feel comfortable and reliable every single night. Remember, CPAP success isn't just about the machine, it's about the little pieces that support it. Dial those in and your therapy transforms. If you want deeper dives, recommendations, or links to the accessories we talked about today, check the resources in the course description below. I am Lily Perez from Sleeplay. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Sleep well, stay comfortable, and take great care of your CPAP gear.